Use guava leaves to beat wrinkles, acne, dark spots and skin allergies. How to use. Worried about the wrinkles, acne, blemishes, allergies or dark spots on your face? Well, you don't need to get any chemical treatments to get rid of them. An easy and natural remedy for this is guava leaves. Here are 4 ways the amazing leaf can help beat these skin problems. 1. Helps beat wrinkles. Guava has very potent antioxidant properties, and a study 1 found that the leaf has much more potent free radical scavenging properties than the fruit itself, making it perfect to keep wrinkles at bay. Apart from that, the leaves also have compounds that help tone the skin and therefore help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. 2. Can help get rid of acne. As per a study published in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine 2, guava leaves have very effective antibacterial properties that are extremely effective against bacteria that cause acne. Apart from that, the study also found that guava leaves also have anti-inflammatory properties that help calm the skin and reduce the appearance of pimples. You may also like to read about home remedies to banish pimples. 3. Helps treat atopic dermatitis. Guava leaves also have anti-allergic properties 3 that help prevent the production of histamines, a compound that is produced by the body to fight off foreign material. This causes inflammation and formation of allergic symptoms by the body and therefore is great to help treat patients suffering from atopic dermatitis. Apart from that, the leaves also have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce the redness and itchiness caused due to atopic dermatitis. 4. Helps lighten spots, black and red. Guava can also help get rid of blemishes, red and black spots from your face. The leaf has components that not only help reduce inflammation and kill bacteria, but it also helps lighten blemishes by acting as a toning agent. How to use. Take a few guava leaves. If you are using it to help treat atopic dermatitis, take some dried leaves. Now crush these leaves and add them to a pot of boiling water. Let the leaves boil in the water till the water turns brownish in color and looks concentrated. Allow the solution to cool and then using a cotton ball apply the solution on your face or the area you would like to treat. Apply it thoroughly on your face and allow to stay for about 15, after which you can wash your face with plain water. Do this twice a week for effective results. In case of atopic dermatitis, crush the dried leaves and add it to a tub of warm water. Soaking in this water helps relieve the itching and redness, eventually helping relieving the discomfort you feel due to the condition.